Good morning, baddies. It's your girl T. Back at it again with another video. I'm gonna have to excuse my voice a little bit. I got wet in the rain and it's just messing with me. But we have so many things to do today and I thought I'll bring you guys along with me. Okay? No, seriously, like our schedule for the day is hella packed. Let me tell y'all what we're doing today. Alright, so first things first, okay? Your girl has got to get these waxed and tinted, all right? Cause they've been looking so rag. They've been looking so whack, and I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. And me and the girls are going to ZAFEM next week, which is the reasoning behind the maintenance day today. It's a maintenance vlog at this point. It's a maintenance vlog. It's a maintenance vlog. So yeah, first things first, I'm getting my eyebrows waxed and tinted, and after that, after we do the brows, we gotta get the girl. You feel me? So we're also getting the Brazilian wax after that, and then after that, these we're gonna get the nails done, and after we get the nails done, we're gonna get the toes done. So that's all for today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna get my hair done and whatnot. So yeah, that's on the to-do list today or whatever. But first, your girl gotta go get showered and get dressed and all of that. So I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, it's currently 9:38. Your girl is dressed and ready to go. Your girl made it to her first appointment. Get a good look at the brows. You're looking at the brows? Because they ain't finna look like that when I come back, okay? Yeah. She ate these up. They're so cute. And they're not as dark as like other people be doing them. I love it. Okay, on to the next. I'm already low-key late. It's 12 and my appointment is at 12 for my other wax. But I'm literally down the street. But y'all, I'm hungry. Your girl just upped and left. Took an hour drive. Like, bitch ain't even drank a bottle of water. Sheesh. But yeah, let's go to this appointment. Your girl eyebrows is waxed. The cooter is waxed. Okay. Now let's go get these diggers. Let's get the diggers done. It's time. It's time. And Candy about to eat it up. Oh, Candy about to eat it up, bro. I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, I don't think you're ready. I just pulled up to my nail appointment, but y'all, I was starving. I literally am cutting it down like it's 12:59. My appointment is at 1 o'clock. And that was the first bite of food that I've had all day. And I bought a bottle of water. So, your girl up one. We're up one. Damn, Chipotle. That shit good. I ain't gonna lie. Is it good or am I just hungry? Because you know there's a difference. Either way, that shit smacking right now. Guys, I finally made it to my house, and I kid you not, I have like less than 30 minutes left before I go to my appointment for my toes. But your girl's hungry. Like, I'm genuinely hungry. So I'm about to actually eat my Chipotle bowl. Not just the one spoon that I just had, but eat my Chipotle bowl. But I want to show y'all my nails or whatever. See, your girl got a short set this time. Cause your girl got a short set this time. Cause y'all know I work with kids. I ain't trying to kill them. I ain't trying to hurt them kids at all. But look at the thumbs. There's the thumbs. There's the nails. Here's the nails. There's the nails. The theme for the party, not theme, but like the dress code for the party that we're going to is an all white party, and I'm wearing white and gold. But I don't always like my nails like matching my outfit. So I got like the chrome look that's been going viral lately with like a pretty like baby pink with some gold charms. It's cute. A little freestyle. It's cute or whatever. But I'm gonna go eat, and then we're gonna go to our toes appointment. Cause yeah, the carpet grippers need to be done like today. We can't hold that one off. Cause the nap sounded real good. I thought about it. But we ain't gonna do that. We ain't gonna do that at all. Y'all, I'm really loving my motherfucking eyebrows. Like, everybody know that I always be like, I ain't got no motherfucking eyebrows. Cause I don't be having no eyebrows. So to be seeing myself with eyebrows, I'm like, hold on, wait a minute. Like, without me coloring them in, like without me like even like, you know, doing the little concealer on the bottom or nothing. Like I just can see my eyebrows. Just look at me. Yeah, just look at me. Come real close. Yeah, come. Look at me. Wee. Bye guy. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat, and then we're gonna go to our appointment. Hey guys, it's the next day. Your girl about to go get her hair done. That's why the gel cell braids are out. But truthfully, I can't find my bonnet. So we just might have to leave like this. I've been spending the last 5 minutes looking for that bonnet. And I slept in it. So I don't know no more. But yeah, we about to get our hair done. You know Dwayne about to fuck that shit up. Okay? So yeah, let's go get slayed. as y'all can see, your girl is back home in the MIA or whatever. Like I told y'all, Dwayne put her ankles and her elbows and her wrists into this hairstyle, okay? Because look at it. It's giving. I love it so much and it's so freaking cute. It's so cute. All of my appointments turned out exactly how I wanted them. Like, look at the hair, look at the browns. The nails are cute. My toes are super duper cute. So, yep, we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome, 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 baddie. We love you over here, okay? And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a like and of course leave a comment, okay? Follow your girl on all socials. They will be linked below. I'll see you guys on the next video.